Word problems. Ajit planted 15 guava trees and 22 papaya trees. How many trees did he plant altogether? Tens, T. Units, U. 15 guava trees plus 22 papaya trees. Ajit totally planted 37 trees. Surekha made 15 paper boats. Amit made 21 boats. How many boats altogether? 15 Surekha's paper boats plus 21 Amit's paper boats. 36 total. They made 36 boats. Rahul had 25 chocolates. He shared 11 of them with his friends. How many does he have now? 25 total chocolates with Rahul minus Rahul gave 11 chocolates to his friends. Rahul has 14 chocolates. Answer 14. Mihir had 26 chalk sticks. Shama gave him some more, and then Mihir had 36 chalk sticks. How many chalk sticks did Shama give Mihir? 36 minus 26, 10. Shama gave Mihir 10 chalk sticks. Word problems. Addition. Manisha placed a dish of water in the garden for the birds. 21 sparrows came to drink water. 19 crows came too. Altogether, how many birds came to drink water? Altogether, 40 birds came to drink water. Sagar planted 29 mango and 37 tamarind saplings. How many saplings did he plant altogether? Altogether, Sagar planted 66 plants.
Let us solve a few examples. Yesterday, there were 12 workers. Today, there are 5 more. How many workers in all are there today? Solution. It is given that yesterday the number of workers were 12. How many more workers are there today, which is equal to 5? We have to find out the total number of workers today. Let me explain. The words in all, total indicate that we should add the numbers. Thus, we have to add 5 to 12. Let us add for counting forward from 12. Draw 5 dots. Count after 12. That is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We reach the number 17. Hence, 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. Answer is, total number of workers today is 17. In a book, there are altogether 28 stories. If 13 stories have been read, how many have not been read? Solution. It is given that total number of stories are remaining to be read is equal to 28. The number of stories read is equal to 13. What are we supposed to find out? Yes, how many stories are remaining to be read? The explanation for this is, the word remaining indicates we should subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Let us subtract by counting backwards from the bigger number 28 till we reach the smaller number 13. That is 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Draw dot for each number. On counting, we can see that there are 15 dots. Hence, 28 minus 13 is equal to 15. Therefore, answer is 15 stories are not read. Now, let us write only the operations to be performed, that is, addition or subtraction for each word problems. Question. Only 12 out of 26 goats have given milk. How many of them do not give milk? Explanation. Here, since it is given that 12 out of 26 goats give milk and we have to find the goats not giving milk, hence subtract 12 from 26. Question. If mother bought 13 notebooks for Hassan and 17 for Razia, how many notebooks did she buy in all? Explanation. In all suggests addition. So we will have to add the numbers 13 and 17 to find the total number of notebooks bought. Question. Ashanti got 29 votes and Balaji Rao 43. How many less votes did Ashanti get than Balaji Rao? Explanation. How many less votes suggest that we should subtract 39 from 43. You have understood the required operations to be performed while solving a word problem. Along with this, let us also try to know whether the given information is unnecessary, that is, the extra or missing information. Let us take a few examples. Decide whether we have to add or subtract to solve each example. Also, write that information in it is extra, that is, not needed, and what is missing, that is, needed. Question. 65 children are present in the class. Some are absent. What's the total number of children? Solution. The word total indicates that the operation is addition. But the information missing is that how many children are absent. Question. Sonu is 7 years old. Her father is 45 and mother 39 years old. By how many years is Sonu younger than her mother? Solution. The operation to be performed is subtraction. We have to find the difference between Sonu and her mother's age. So, the extra information is Sonu's father's age. Question. If Sudhir scored 23 runs more in the second innings than in the first innings, what was his total score in the two innings? Solution. The word total indicates that the operation is addition, but the missing information is the runs scored in the first innings. Now, let's follow a particular method of solving word problems. The statements written as per the given data are very important. Hence, remember, first read the problem carefully. Write the information which is given, then write what is to be found out. Then mention the operation to be performed. Show the calculations of addition or subtraction, whichever is applicable. And then finally write the answer statement. Let us solve a problem. There are 35 saplings of chikus and 46 of pomegranates in a nursery. How many saplings are there in all? Solution. It is given that number of saplings of chikus is equal to 35. Number of saplings of pomegranates is equal to 46. We have to find out number of saplings in all, means the total of saplings. Here, we must add or subtract. The word in all suggests that we should add. Add number of both the saplings, 35 and 46. Place the numbers in vertical arrangement and add. You have already learned addition with carrying, so proceed accordingly. In units place, we have 5 plus 6. Now, 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Write 1 in units place. Carry over 1 tens in tens place. In tens place, we have 3 plus 4 plus carried over 1 tens is equal to 8 tenths. Hence, 35 plus 46 is equal to 81. Answer is, there are 81 saplings in all. Question. Sonam scored 76 in maths and 57 in the language paper. In which paper did she score more and by how many? Solution. It is given that marks scored in maths is equal to 76 and marks scored in language is equal to 57. We have to find out in which paper Sonam scored more marks and by how many more marks she scored in that subject. Here we are comparing two numbers. So, what operation should be performed? Surely, it is subtraction. Arrange the numbers vertically. You have learned subtraction by borrowing. Here in units place, we have to subtract 7 units from 6 units. It is not possible. So, what do? Yes, we borrow 1 tenths from 7 tenths. Then, in units place, subtract 7 from 16. By counting backwards from 16 till we reach the number 7, we have 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Draw 1 dot for each number. We have 9 dots. Hence, in units place, 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. In tens place, 7 tenths minus 1 tenth is equal to 6 tenths. Now, 6 tenths minus 5 tenths is equal to 1 tenth. Hence, 76 minus 57 is equal to 19. Hence, 19 marks were scored. Now, 76 is bigger than 57 because comparing tens place, 7 tenths is bigger than 5 tenths. So, the answer is Sonam scored 19 marks more in maths than in language. Question. Solve the following problems. Of the 60 people traveling in a bus, 42 are women and the rest are men. What is the number of men? Solution. It is given that total people traveling in a bus is equal to 60. Number of women is equal to 42. We have to find out the number of men traveling in the bus. Now, the operation here is subtraction. Subtract 42 from 60. Place the numbers vertically. See the units place. 0 minus 2. So, we borrow 1 tenth from 6 tenths. Therefore, now 10 minus 2 is equal to 8 units. In tens place, 6 tenths minus 1 is equal to 5 tenths. Then 5 tenths minus 4 tenths is equal to 110. Thus 60 minus 42 is equal to 18. So the answer is there are 18 men travelling in the bus. In an examination, Meera got 52 marks in the maths paper and 27 marks in the language paper. What is her total for these two papers? Solution: it is given that marks scored in maths is equal to 52. Marks scored in language is equal to 27. We have to find out the total marks of the two papers. Here, since we have to find out the total marks, the operation is addition. Arrange both numbers vertically. We can see that 52 plus 27 is equal to 79. Answer is total marks are 79 marks.